To be like Johann Liebert. First, master lying. You need to learn to act normal and have a poker face while lying to make sure no one knows your intentions. Next, have charisma. Always smile, even when people make fun of you. This will make it seem like you can handle jokes or don't care. Third, keep secrets. When manipulating, you need to keep your intentions hidden and always seem innocent. Lastly, master observing. Look at people's tone of voice and body language to see if it aligns with what they are saying or how you want them to feel. Never have emotion during an argument. When someone's yelling at you or argues with you, be silent and have a poker face while staring them in the eye. When they see you're unfazed by what they just said, there'll be a shift in power, and they'll be even more mad until they realize nothing affects you. This will make you get everything you ever want. Use the principle of reverse psychology. For example, instead of asking someone,
"Can you please come with me to the store?"
ask them,
"You want to help me get some groceries, or are you too lazy?"
This questions their capability, making them have something to prove to you.